Hello everyone, today we're going to be making green tea anti-dandruff hairspray, and it's going to actually help with promoting growth. So the green tea is excellent for fighting dandruff and stimulating hair growth. Also, it makes for a fab face wash too. It offers antioxidant and nutrients known to stop free radicals that cause damage to your hair. The caffeine penetrates the hair follicle, encouraging growth. It nourishes the scalp and protects it from dandruff, bacteria, fungus, and sun damage. So what you're going to need is 2 bags of green tea, and you're going to need 2 cups of water, and you're going to also need a tablespoon of honey for softness and shine to the hair. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to be adding that 2 cups of water, already measured out. And the green tea bags, there's already 2 of them, so I'm just going to place that in there. We're going to let that boil and brew. And once it boils and brew, we're going to add our honey, and then we're going to put that in the spray bottle. Okay, so you can go ahead and add the honey into the mixture. And honestly, guys, this makes for a good tea that you can actually drink as well. Helps with colds, fights allergies, helps build the immune system back up. And so we're just going to stir that in there. Okay, guys, so the tea has brewed for about 15 minutes. So it's been brought to a boil, so we're going to cut it off. Once it cools off, I will be pouring that in a spray bottle and applying that to my hair. Applying the green tea, which was mixed with honey, to my hair, and I've sectioned it already. So we're going to go in and kind of saturate the scalp, massage it. This is going to help with flakes, so it's pretty much going to help with dandruff. So you're just pretty much going in there and just massaging it. And then you're going to apply it to the hair as well. So it's like just a general treatment to help fight dandruff. And guys, you have to remember that dandruff is something that blocks the pores, and it causes the hair to not grow. And so keeping the scalp clean, free of dandruff and flakes and fungus and different things, it's going to help it to balance the pH of the scalp and help it grow, because you're stimulating it. So that's pretty much what you're going to do. Just continue to apply it. Once you apply it all throughout the hair, we're going to be leaving this in for 30 minutes and rinsing it off with cold water. If you notice, I've really put it in small sections so that I can go in and make sure I get the whole head. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you make green tea for the anti-dandruff and to promote hair growth. hair has already been previously shampooed and conditioned. So just make sure when you're doing this procedure, make sure your hair has already been shampooed, it's clean. This is just a treatment. I experience a lot of itchiness in my scalp, and I'm pretty sure that it has to do with dirt and product buildup and flakes over time. Alright, so we're going to leave this green tea anti-dandruff treatment in the hair for 30 minutes. And I'm going to rinse it with cold water. Okay, so I have rinsed my hair off. And so the next thing will be to apply your products as usual. Of course, I'm going to be using my Baby Creme Moisture Cream for moisturization. Pretty much apply that all around the hair. And so I just pretty much put the final touches of my Passion Curls jelly pudding. As usual, I just do like a little swoop on my sides. Thanks for watching. So I'm just going to take some of my hair and just pin it to the side. Alright guys, so this will complete my tutorial on how to make green tea hair treatment for anti-dandruff and promoting growth. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you are not already a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe below and watch all of my latest tutorials and DIYs for hair care and hairstyling. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day.